hair density is the amount of hair that you have growing out of 1 square inch. This is super important because you need to know how much color you're gonna get. I like to do a little ponytail test because this helps you visually identify if you're fine, medium, or thick. Also super important. Now, this really is just taking like a square inch and seeing how many hairs come out of that square inch. Let me back it up for you. You could have really thick hair. Each piece is really thick and round, right? Really thick and coily. In that square inch, you may only have 25 pieces of hair. Now on the flip of that, you could have super silky fine hair, but in that one little square inch, you have 250 pieces. So you can have fine hair and texture that's very dense. I think all too often it gets a little bit confusing to define those two terms, but it's really important that you know and understand them because texture is texture and density is density. The amount you have growing out of your head.
Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. Having colored hair doesn't make you unprofessional. I can teach a class when my hair is pea.